What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring into the Cardo PACKTALK Bold, okay, a Bluetooth intercom, the T-MAX. Actually, this is a very good Chinese Bluetooth intercom. So what they call it the bridge. Okay, so I'll be honest with you, maybe we have a big playlist with the Cardo and everything, so you can see all the settings and everything, but I haven't even tried it. But let's say we want to bring a friend, all right, because now we are kind of like a grouping together, and they have something like that. All right, so let's see if we can connect it to the two Bold I have here. Plus, if you have an Edge, if you have Aura and Edge, it's the same thing. They call it the Bluetooth the bridge. All right, so let's give it a try. I have opened the app. All right, and I'm going to the intercom. All right, and this is my Bluetooth. I switched that to Bluetooth. This one here. This is on Bluetooth. It doesn't have DMC. This the T-MAX. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the phone on the side and see what we're gonna do is. Usually we press these so we can pair, but this actually can connect to 6 riders. Yes, I never tried that. I used the DMC for the last 2 years. Let's put this on pairing mode. Okay, it's talking to me. She said pairing, so we can see here the red. Alright, so let's put the Bold on pairing mode. Alright, it says pairing here too. Okay, I don't see nothing happening here. Okay, this is searching for unit to pair. I'll just try with the phone. Yeah, this putting again this into pairing mode. Let me turn this off. And let's put it back on pairing mode. There you go. It says something. I think it put it from the app. I think it did pair it, because I've seen 2 blue lights here. It's connected. I can hear it. Let me see here. I can hear the scratch. Yeah, it's connected. Let me see if the GoPro can. Alright, so the pairing I did the pairing through the phone. You see here it say pair it. This is like an open conversation right now. Let's see if I can turn it off. I press in this once. Yes, it's off. Let me press this again to call. I press the Bold. When I'm pressing the Bold, I can talk to this person. Alright, so it looks like we did it. It's working. Unbelievable. Alright, let me see if I can put it back on DMC. What's gonna happen? It's open conversation right now. Let's go to DMC. Make sure units is standby. Okay. All right, DMC. Oh, it has to disconnect any active intercom. Okay, to go to DMC. So let's leave it on Bluetooth a little bit so I can do some testing. Yes. Can you hear it? Okay, so let's see this one. Yes. So we have connected through, actually I put this on pairing mode and this on pairing mode on Bluetooth, of course, right? Still on Bluetooth, you see the blue here. And you know, the first time I tried it didn't work, so I used the app and I click pair. You see that? Pair. Rider 1. So let's see if I can call from here to there, and I'll be back. Okay. Yeah, I have to press. I forgot how to use this one. Really, this is what's the problem is. But I just have to press it fast, and it's disconnecting from here. So if I press it again fast, yeah, it connected. It's connected. So cool. You know. All right. So let's start from the beginning so we don't get confused. All right. We put this on pairing mode. It doesn't matter which one you have. This you have to press for 8 seconds. It must be closed completely. Okay, it's connected right now. So let me see if I can disconnect it. Yes, I hear a click. All right, then you put the bolt or the edge, whatever you have, you put it on Bluetooth. All right, and you can either do it from here. If you press the top button for like 4 or 5 seconds, it will enter pairing mode. You can see it flashing red. All right, but you can actually do it from the app too. You can actually do it from the app too, you know. Just press pair. You see the pair right here? Okay, that's how I do it. Let's go back and let's go to intercom again, and it's paired with Bluetooth. Let's see if we can go back to DMC. Switching to DMC mode. All right, group 3. So let's go back, DMC mode. Let's see now. Yes, it's unbelievable, but it's working on DMC too. You see it's green. All right, and just call from here to there, and I press this one so I can answer. It works on DMC, but it works like a Bluetooth, so you actually have to press it. Remember, if you don't know what I'm talking about, DMC is always on. It's like you have the person next to you right there. It's for like 7 hours. As long as you have battery, it's on all the time. That's the DMC. So don't get confused with Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth. All right, so it's connected on DMC. Unreal, but it works. Okay, so okay, DMC, Bluetooth. It's bridge. It's all good. Okay, so if you get confused, you put this on pairing mode, Bluetooth this one on pairing mode, and either you do it from here or from there and click pair, and it will pair with a Bluetooth device. All right, thanks for watching, guys.